Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on OPPO Find X9. In order to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we're going to turn off our device. So I'm going to use power button and volume up at the same time to open the power menu. And then we're going to slide down over here to power off our phone. Now we need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. You will feel a little vibration once that happens. And then we can press and hold the power button and volume down button. So just press and hold these two buttons and keep holding like this until you actually are in the recovery mode. So first we'll see the OPPO logo, but you want to still keep holding these two buttons. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to see the language selection. So we need to be patient. There we go. And now over here, we can choose the language that we want to use. You can actually tap over here on the screen in order to proceed. In case you have issues with the touch screen, then you can also use volume buttons. You can use volume up and down in order to navigate, and then confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And over here, of course, we have the recovery mode. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, then you can simply choose reboot device. So you can either tap on this option or confirm by pressing the power button, and then we have to tap on OK over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.